Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode on our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make TikTok videos. If you're new to using TikTok, then make sure you watch this video until the end because I'm exactly going to show you all the things that you need to make your own TikTok video. Firstly, to get started from the home screen of your TikTok, you simply tap on the plus icon on the bottom middle of the screen, which is this white button. Now after you do that, it's going to take you to the screen where it's going to open up your back camera. Now in order to take a TikTok right away, you can simply choose the duration of your TikTok video by swiping through these minutes or seconds, and you can simply tap on this red button right here to start recording. And if you want to add some effects to your TikTok, you can also do that by tapping on this effects right here. And you can add in bunch of effects. You can also search it if you know the name of it. If you already have recorded a video, you can also directly upload it by tapping on this upload on the bottom right of the screen. After you choose the video like this, you can tap on next on the bottom right. Now on the right hand side of the screen, you can see all of the options that you can add. If you tap on the first option, which is text, it's going to give you an interface where you can change the fonts and change the color of your text. Now after that, you can also add in stickers by tapping on the stickers tab like so, and you can pick any stickers that you want. You can add in effects such like I just showed you, which is the third option. You can also add in here. You can add in filters and bunch of other stuff. Now if you want to add in additional sounds, you can also do that by tapping on add sound on the top right here, and you can choose from all of these sounds. You can simply tap on any sound that you want, and after that on the right you can see a tick mark. You simply tap on it to add in the sound. After you made all the changes, you can simply tap on next on the bottom right. Now through this interface, you can add in captions to your video. You can add in hashtags or mention someone. You can also tag in people and bunch of other things. Now you simply tap on post on the bottom right of the screen. And as easy as that, your TikTok video will be posted. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.